Hi everyone, my name is Juan. I'm gonna teach. I'm gonna teach this song from Katseye. It's called My Way. The reason why I'm teaching it is because there's no dance tutor on it. Thank you, Veronica, my dance tutor. Link below because she's a really great tutor. But don't steal her from me. I'm watching you. Okay, let's start. We're gonna start with this. So, this is my left. This is my right. I'm bad and married, I'm sorry. So just keep that in mind. This is my left, this is my right, okay? So we're gonna start like this, like a tray, like I'm serving you. So you're gonna go, the song's gonna go, at least I can. And then, so here, and then you put your hand on your chest, your right hand on your chest. Your left doesn't really do anything, to be honest. So you can like put it on the side, hide it behind you, up to you. So your right leg will come out like this. While it does that, you're gonna put your right hand like this, and it's gonna hit your right like this, back, your back is gonna hit like this. While it hits, you're gonna open your mouth like this, like your hand, not your actual mouth, please. So it's gonna be like this. Your hip is also gonna come right back to the front, or to your left, actually, if you look at this angle. When it does that, it's gonna close the mouth like this. So you're gonna do that 3 times. Right. As you can say, Okay, yeah, so 1, 2, 3. And then you're gonna throw. After you throw, you're gonna put your arm right here, your right arm right here. You're gonna put your right leg in, and this is the part where you're gonna, this is weird, I know it's gonna be weird. You're gonna twist like this. While you're twisting like this, you're gonna do it 3 times. Your arm is gonna go slowly up like this. So you go, So if it helps you, you can like twist your knee like this, and your shoulder at the same time, your right shoulder like this.
But what's the original?
So it's gonna be, so all together it's be, at least I can say, I do it my way, When it reaches up here, you're gonna separate your left like this, and when you do that, you're gonna circle around like this. Then your left knee, because you're gonna go down. So you'll be gas light or gas pedal. Gas pedal? Okay, good. I said gas light, that's scary. So gas pedal. So you're gonna swing your right arm around like this and put it up to your chest right here. And then you're gonna go down along with your body, not back down, my goodness. You guys are about to do a squat. We're not squatting, people. No. Okay. So we're gonna put that together, okay? So, at least I can say, I do it my way, gas pedal like. So, after that, you're gonna face forward. While you're facing forward, your right arm is gonna come up like this, 95. Yes, Daryl, what's up?
Can we redo that?
One more time?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. We're gonna do this again. To go over, okay? So, at least I can say, I do it my way, gas pedal like. So, okay. Are you, Daryl? Is that good? It takes practice, I know. Okay. So you're gonna face forward, and then this right arm's gonna go up like this. 95 something eastbound. So when you're doing this, you can step forward with your left if you want to. Some members do that. I did. So it's not a right. 95 bloody eastbound. Yes.
3 step forward.
And then go hands up. So they all do, like that, Daryl. They all put their palm facing forward. I mean, their back of the hand facing forward. So hands up. And slowly down. Okay. Yeah, you're there. Okay, we're gonna go through that again. Okay. Ready to serve it with the tray. So let's actually this. I'm sorry, I forgot to let you know it's a this. So at least I can say, I do it my way, That's kind of like 95 degrees down, hands up and slow me down. Okay, after that you're gonna throw again, throw, and then put it back, and then you're gonna step out with your right. It's the same thing like this, but instead of this, it's gonna go like this. And then you're slowly gonna pull forward while you're doing the hip thing again like this. I know it looks weird, but that's how they do it. Thanks for teaching me that because it looks weird. Okay, so from the throw is gonna be the same. Throw out and together. From here it's gonna be different now. You're gonna face forward like this. I can show you. So when you step out with your right, you should face down, like a little bit down, like a little bit, not like you can't see your eyes. So you go boom. When you step out with your left to make yourself balance, face up like this, with your arms still up like this. And everyone's doing the right arm, so that is great. Good job, everyone. I'm sorry I can't really do it mirror. I apologize, so I appreciate that. So we're gonna start that over from there, okay? So everyone can get, yes.
Can you,
Okay, so if I turn around, I'm gonna turn around to see if everyone can do it. So it's gonna be weird because you can't see what I'm doing when I do this, but from this view, okay, here we go. So at least I can sit and I do it my way and that's kind of like 95 degrees down, hands up and slow me down. Da 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 da. Yeah, and that's me facing back. Are you good? Okay, sorry. I just wanted to make sure. I'm sorry.
no, you're good.
Okay, so after this, so you're gonna wait on your right side. You're gonna bend like this, like lunge forward. When you're doing that, you're gonna scoop around with your head like this. I know the one who's wobbling. I'm sorry. So yeah, so you go like this, and then you're gonna follow with your hand like this, while facing out, and then face like this. Yep. So it's gonna be, I can show you like da 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 da, and then you throw it up again, and then this is the part where you go, I do it my way. We're gonna do that part, okay? Before we do that, we're gonna redo that, okay? Before we move on, okay?
Yeah.
Anyone? No, wait. Before I move on, anyone have questions? Yes. Yes, I'm gonna do it right now. Okay. Okay, ready? At least I can say, I do it my way. That's pedal like 95 degrees down. I suck at singing, I'm sorry. Oh, sorry, that's what I forgot to do. When you face down, it's close fist, and then when you face up, it's close fist. I'm sorry, that was my fault. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Do that too. Okay, so I can show you like I do it my way. This is the transition part. So from here, this is the kind of sort of the last part. It's not that part. So you're gonna put your right hand on your chest. You notice that you're also. Oh wait, let me see something fun. Oh, sorry. Before that, I'm sorry. Scoop with your left like this while stepping with your right. So you go, I do it my, and then you put your hand on your chest. I'm sorry. So you're gonna wave. You're gonna body roll-ish. So. Okay. So you're gonna wave. This is my left, this is my right. So you're gonna wave like this with your hands on your chest. You go wave.
What?
Yeah. So wave. So you wave 3 times. So,
Are we
way,
swaying?
huh?
Are we swaying to?
Well, yeah, kind of like a sway. People say it's a wave. It's, I don't know, people think, yeah, it's kind of weird. So you go way, way, way.
It's a combination.
Yeah, it's a combination in a way. In a way, yeah. I'm sorry, it's confusing. And then you, so after that, after the way, 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 you're gonna kind of like circle like this. And this is where everyone in Katseye does it a little bit differently. But how I do it, they put their arm out like this. So after the way, I'll do it mine. They go, so they step with their right, we go like way, looking with their right, way. I put mine on my chest, some of them do. And then, okay, and then you do your right again. And then you go like this. So they bend like this while still having their right hand on their chest. And then after that, you're gonna step out with your left like this, and then you're gonna wave like this 2 times. So you're gonna go way, way, or is it 3 times? I don't remember. But Megan's part is she goes way, way. I think it's 2 times or 3 times. I think it's 3. So while you go way, 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 you're gonna go like this. So you're kind of gonna be like lifting your left heel up like this, but your toes is gonna be facing down. It's gonna be your left foot, okay? So you go way, way, and then I think it's 2. So let's do it 2. So way, way. After that, they're gonna move up. They're gonna scoop up like this with their arms, like this, and then way. Like I'll do it my way. That's it. Thank you. I'm sorry. Thank you for being patient with me. It's a little bit weird, I promise. But I try my best.
Slave one.
Thanks. We're gonna go over that before we go over the music, okay? You want me to face back, like here, or do you want me to still face here? Face like here? Okay. So just so you can, guys, so you can see like how it is. So now this is my left. This is my right now. Okay? My voice cracked. I'm sorry. Okay. Lisa can say, I do it my way. That's kind of like da 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 to my way, I do it my way, I do it my way, I do it my way. Okay, there's 2 ways. Okay, I was right the first time. I just like hesitate.
The hesitation is crazy.
The hesitation is crazy. You're absolutely right. Okay. I think we're ready for music now. Is everyone ready? Oh wait, do anyone have questions before we start the music? No? What is this? 6, 7? What's that?
Oh my God.
So I'm 30 years old and I don't know what that is.
Yeah, we did so 6, 7 is like in the song. This is so.
Sorry, I don't get it. I'm so sorry. Okay. So while we're doing it, I'm gonna be facing you guys, okay? Yeah, do it like you think 50% would be good, or you guys can handle 75? Because it's kind of slowish. 75? Your request is 75%. Please, Omer. Thank you. Thank you, Verona, again for teaching me. Is it 75 good? Okay, sorry. I was like, is it 75? Oh. Yeah, this is good. This is not the full speed, though. Just want to let you know. It's kind of slow. It's okay. Take your time. Yes. See, it's not that bad. Right? I sang Katseye. I have all their songs from other albums.
Danielle was not.
I don't have a problem with songs. So you see how slow the song is, right? Okay, yeah. So you guys can let me do it full speed. Definitely. Well, you're just being young and dumb and naive, right? But they're not dumb. They're fabulous. Yeah, and full speed? Yes. My bias is Megan. Promise, it's not that fast. See, it's slow. That's it. Thank you guys so much for participating. Thank you guys so much for coming to Condiment. Thank you so much for being patient with me because I'm a little bit cuckoo. Thank you everyone.